Anti-aging creams are everywhere, but few call themselves a time-reverse cream like KoriDerm and promise youthful skin with one product. But the real question is, does it actually reverse aging, or is that just marketing hype? Let's break it down. According to the official website, KoriDerm Time Reverse Cream is an all-in-one anti-aging skincare product designed to smooth fine lines, improve firmness, brighten dull skin, and restore youthful radiance, thanks to a blend of Centella asiatica, hyaluronic acid, collagen-supporting ingredients, and more. They even say many users see more youthful, radiant skin within a week of consistent use. Sounds exciting, but let's look beyond the advertising. Here's the key thing to understand. No tropical cream can truly reverse aging. Aging is a biological process that occurs at deeper skin layers and involves genetics, sun exposure, and lifestyle. And cosmetics don't change that at a cellular level. What anti-aging creams can do is improve hydration and surface smoothness, plump fine lines temporarily with humectants like hyaluronic acid, and support barrier health and soothe irritation. But lasting structural changes like rebuilding deep collagen or undoing years of age aren't realistic for topical products alone. KoriDerm's formula includes ingredients commonly used in skincare, such as Centella asiatica extract, hyaluronic acid, collagen-supporting ingredients, and antioxidants and soothing botanicals. These ingredients can make your skin feel softer, smoother, and brighter, visible improvements related to moisture and texture, but that's different from literally reversing aging. Real user impressions, including reviews on third-party stores, tend to be moderately positive. Many users praise the hydrating feel and smooth texture after application. Some note improved glow and reduced dryness with regular use, and others say it's nice as a moisturizer but didn't dramatically change deep wrinkles or sagging. It's a common pattern with topical creams. Independent skincare forums also suggest that people with dry or sensitive skin appreciate the calming, moisturizing aspect, even if the anti-aging benefits are more subtle than bold claims apply. Anti-aging skincare equals cosmetic improvement, not biological reversal. Think of products like KoriDerm as a daily hydrator and texture improver, something that visibly softens fine lines and dullness, and a supportive step in your routine. Not a way to turn back the clock overnight or undo deep aging. So does KoriDerm cream actually reverse aging? No, not in the literal or medical sense. But yes, it can help your skin look more hydrated, smoother, and youthful on the surface. Think of it as a cosmetic enhancer, not a miracle age reversal cure. The bottom line, if you want a hydrating, soothing cream with visible surface benefits, it's worth trying. Just keep your expectations grounded in real skincare science. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.